Since 1992, Greydon Incorporated has been designing and manufacturing online printing equipment in York, Pennsylvania. This equipment is designed to retrofit to horizontal form fill and seal packaging machinery and print the complete package. The technology includes flexographic printing, thermal transfer printing, inkjet printing, and wet ink contact printing. When having to install a printer to a packaging machine in a cold, wet environment, it is much better to dock the printer rather than permanently fasten it to the packaging machine. This allows the printer to be removed for washdown and servicing. This also allows for easier access to the packaging machine, enabling quicker tool changes and other service that is needed. A quick disconnect plug carries power and air, as well as all handshake signals to and from the packaging machine. The printer can then be wheeled out of the packaging area to a service area and be protected with the supplied cover. For more information, please contact Greydon at 717-848-3875. Visit our website www.greydon.com. Email info@greydon.com.